Tired of squinting at your phone screen? Today, you'll learn exactly how to play those awesome Taptap games right on your PC for a much bigger and more immersive gaming experience. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. Step 1. You'll need an Android emulator. These handy programs simulate an Android environment on your computer, allowing you to download and run mobile apps, including, of course, your favorite Taptap games. Now, there are several popular choices. BlueStacks, Noxplayer, and Player are fantastic options. They are all capable and user-friendly, allowing you to test to determine the best for you. Step 2. Choose your favorite emulator and head to its official website. Look for download link and begin to download the setup file. Step 3. Once downloaded, locate and run the setup file. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the emulator on your computer. This typically involves accepting the license agreement and choosing an installation location. Step 4. After the installation is complete, launch the emulator. You'll see its home screen, which will look a lot like an Android tablet interface. Step 5. Now, you'll use the emulator's built-in Google Play Store to download your favorite Taptap game. Log in with your Google account, and then search for the game you want to play just like you would on your phone. Step 6. Once you find the game, tap the install button. The emulator will download and install the game. Step 7. After the installation is done, tap the game's icon to launch it. You may need to adjust the control settings of the game to use a mouse or keyboard that matches your computer. Bingo! Now enjoy your Taptap game on your PC with a big screen. Now go immerse yourself in the fun, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips.